Hey everybody, Travis Holzem with Food Forest Abundance, Minnesota. What the hell's on there? Got a little piece of fuzz on there. Anyway, just coming into from my grow room in my basement here in Apple Valley, and I am going to add 2 more grow lights to my shelf here, and I'm just going to show you how easy this is to add lights to one of these stainless steel shelves. But here, just follow along. They go quick, but very easy to do. All you need is these lights. I'll put a link in the video. You can get them right on Amazon, and they come, I believe it's 8 to a box. So you can, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. A shelf this size, you should probably do 2, 4, 6, 12 lights to get full coverage. But I'm only going to do 8 because I'm using some reflective paper or reflective film to help. So otherwise, or you could do 8 if you get these in a 4-foot length versus a 2-foot length. I got my other one behind this. The one that is in the shelf you are sitting on are 36-inch wide, or actually, yeah, 36-inch wide. These ones are 48. These shelves are 48, and these are 24. Yeah, so the 36-inch would have been better here, but I already had them on this shelf from another time, so it is what it is. But I'm going to show you how easy they are to hang up. All you need is the lights and some zip ties. All right, and I already have it plugged in, but you can plug one in, plug it into the little input. You got your male to female. You plug it in, and then you can chain them together by plugging in a connector. So basically you're plugging it in one side and you're plugging into another light. So you'll see when I hang these up. So I'm going to zip tie them, and then I'm going to plug them in, or I'll plug them in and zip tie them at the same time. But you'll get to see how easy they go in. I have this one, the plug here already. So I'm going to plug it in, and then I turn it on. Oh, that's why I don't have. All right, we're going to start here, because my dumbass. All right, there's no power to that one over there, so it won't light up. Here we go. And then we're just going to take this and we're going to take a zip tie. Don't pull these real tight, because these are they're not the best zip ties, but they're perfect for these lights, because these lights are as light as a feather. So, but we're going to turn that in. Slide that one down. Then we're going to put another one up here. I do this thing. All right, just like that, it's in. So now I'm going to take another plug that go in the bottom of this one, just like that. Now I'm going to plug into this one. Turn it on, butt out. All right. Now we're going to zip tie this one on. And then you can go back and cut off the tails if you want. there's that, and now we're going to plug this one in. And I'll turn that off. But now, here we go. So now, let's see, I got 4, 5, actually 5 left, so I could actually do the bottom here also. But I gotta plug in one more time. I just start a new chain because they give you 3 plugs for each one, and a whole bunch of zip ties, and there you go. That's how easy it is to set up. And now I have much more light for the ladies over here. But just like that. Okay. Simple zip tie. There's the plug. And then they have the little switch on the side. Then see, they're chained all together, all the way across and down, all the way to this plug here. So we can go like this, all up, all on. So there you go. And when these plants get too big for in here, because this actually, a couple of these are only going to get about this high because they're a dwarf. I think critical gets 2 to 3 feet high tops, and Purple Queen or Royal Cheese indoors will get 4 or 3 to 5 feet, I think it is, and then the Royal Queen is 3 to 4 feet. So they're not going to be very big, but I'm going to move them underneath my stairs here, and that's where they're going to finish up. I'm going to bring all the lights in here and hang them. I already started getting it ready by putting the silver film in here. You could get a tent, but this stuff is just as reflective as that tent. I think they're a little pricey, but it's up to the individual and what you want. So, but like I said, I'm gonna foil this inside so it's ready to go, and then I will be putting them on shelving without a top, so they have plenty of room to grow, and they're still off the ground, so you have that airflow underneath. And yeah, but like, this is my first time growing, so I'm just going to document it, how it goes. I feel it's going to be like growing anything else. You just try to read what the plants are telling you. And after you're growing stuff for a while, you kind of get to figure stuff out. If not, there's always Google. Or now, you can go to ChatGPT and ask it. And get answers. It's a lot better than Google because it will search Google for you. But anyway, that's a different topic. That's that, and just simple lights, and look how much light that added with just these two. Okay, I'm going to turn these off quick. Okay, so we still got decent light there, and they've been growing fine with just that, but I thought it needed some more. And now let's see, yeah, and then I'm going to put 2 more down below, and then I think I'm going to wrap my foil around the side here and make it all reflective inside there. And yeah, once we get the lights up on the inside, I can spread these out a little more. I didn't want them not getting enough light, so they were kind of scrunched in the middle here, and they don't fit here. And this one is for my tubs. I should actually move the tubs over here and put a couple of plants there. who knows, you know? But that's that. And then we're gonna have microgreens growing here. Microgreens growing. Actually, we're gonna put banana plants on the bottom. And then we're gonna get a couple trays or 4 trays of microgreens going. And then if I get some orders for some microgreens, I'll start some more shelves, move some stuff around. And I have a bedroom upstairs with 1 shelf, and I have 3 other shelves just like this. They're actually 4 feet wide out in my garage that I can still put together to expand my system. And so that's how easy it is to expand a system when you need it. And now is a good time to grow your own food. So if you have some space on this little shelf here, I mean, you could grow so much food just on this shelf. Look at, there's 22 grow sites right there. It's gonna have lettuce, 3 different types of lettuces, 2 different types of spinaches. I got dill, I got basil. What else is in there? God, I wish I could remember everything. I have it all written down, but yeah, they're all herbs and lettuces, and simple. And then we got tomatoes here. 3 different types of tomatoes, 3 different types of peppers. There's a pepper plant that's fruiting right now. It's gonna have about 30 peppers on it in about a week. That one's fruiting, gonna have about 20-30 peppers on it in a week. Upstairs I have lime tree, lemon tree, or two lime trees, a lemon tree, 3 fig trees. I got a pomegranate tree that's absolutely out of control. And I have an olive tree and a nice big cactus that's up on the shelf in the window. And then I have some monsterosas. I started from seed, and I probably have about 8 or 10 of those, and they are getting big. And in about another 6 months, the leaves are going to start splitting. They say they get 2 to 3 years old before the leaves start to split. And I started from seed a little over a year ago, and some are about, the leaves are the size of my hand right now. And I also have some ponytail palms. I started from seed, 4 to 6 of those, and they're starting to get their trunk and they're growing. And then some Australian umbrella trees from seed, and those are absolutely beautiful little plants that you can set in your window, and absolutely beautiful little leaves that look just like an umbrella, and it's pretty cool. I'll take a video of those sometime. But that's all I got here. That's my indoor, should we call it indoor garden, with growing the grass and the food. And that's that. You want a bucket system for your garage, for your basement, for a room in your home, let me know. I sell an entire setup for $399, which includes the buckets, I mean everything, the whole system, all your nutrients, your water reading, your pH levels, and your water test kits. And they're 1 gallon jugs of nutrients. There's 3 different nutrients. I think it's $100 for the 3 jugs of nutrients by themselves. And then you got the bucket system, and then I also will set them up for you. I've set these up a couple of times, and they get easier as you do them, especially if you have the right tools. And with the right tools, you can get them done in no time. So you can struggle through it, or you can pay me to do it, and we'll get you set up and get you running. And you can start your seeds when you order. Whatever seeds you want to put in your buckets, you can start right at home, and they'll start sprouting. And within 2 weeks you will have your plants started in your buckets. That's how long I let mine grow, is 2 weeks under the light as a seedling, and I planted the seedling, and it's been 10 days since I put them in the buckets, and they're huge. Because they're not even a month old yet. So a week, 7, and then 10, 17. Yeah, they're about right around 3 weeks old, and these two are almost a foot tall. So that is how fast they grow when you got nutrients running through these roots constantly. And I'm gonna add 6 more buckets and try growing some cannabis in the buckets to see how that works out. But anyway, have an amazing day, and I will talk to you soon. Get a hold of me, Travis at foodforceabundance.com, or visit foodforceabundancemn.com. And I also have Food Force Abundance Minnesota shirts, t-shirts for sale on my site. So visit the site. I'll leave a link, order them, and I'll get them out to you. See you later.